In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Todoist with Notion the easiest way. By the end of this video, you'll have your Todoist tasks showing directly inside a Notion page, so you can manage everything from one place without constantly switching tabs. First, open the Notion page where you want your Todoist view to appear. This could be a dashboard, a project page, or even a simple notes page. Click into an empty line where you want the integration to sit. Now, start typing a /, then the word embed right after it. As you type, Notion will show a list of commands and blocks you can insert. You're looking for the option called embed. When it appears in the list, click on it. This tells Notion that you want to embed content from another website or app. Next, we need the link from Todoist that we're going to embed. Open Todoist in your browser and navigate to the exact view you want to see in Notion. That could be your inbox, today view, a specific project, or even a filtered view. Once you're on the right page, go up to your browser's address bar and copy the full URL. This is the link Notion will use to display your Todoist interface. After you've copied the URL, switch back to your Notion page. You'll see a small box asking you to paste a link or something similar. Click into that field and paste the Todoist URL you just copied. Take a quick moment to make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the link, because sometimes that can cause errors. When the link is in place, you'll see a button that says Embed Link. Go ahead and click on that. Notion will process the URL and, after a short moment, your Todoist view should appear directly inside the page as an embedded window. You can click and drag the corners of this embed to resize it so it fits nicely with the rest of your layout. From here, you can scroll through your tasks, check items off, and interact with Todoist just like you would in your browser, but without leaving Notion. That's all you need to do to integrate Todoist with Notion using the embed block. It's a quick, straightforward setup that gives you a simple, unified workspace for your notes and tasks.